In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Airtable Google Sheets integration, sync data automatically. We're going to use Airtable's built-in automations to push new records or updates straight into a Google Sheet. This approach is perfect for log-style reporting, dashboards, or keeping a simple audit trail without any manual copying and pasting. Start inside your Airtable base and open automations. Here you'll choose a trigger, which is what tells Airtable when to send data. If you want every new record to go to your spreadsheet, pick When Record Created. If you only want specific records to sync, choose When Record Matches Conditions. That second option is great for filtering down to what matters, like only syncing records with a status of Approved or when a checkbox is marked. Before moving on, make sure the table and fields you're using are finalized because changes later can break your mapping. Next, add an action and select Google Sheets. You'll see two main choices, Append Row and Update Row. Append Row adds a brand new line to the bottom of your sheet each time the trigger fires. It's ideal for activity logs and historical reporting. Update Row modifies an existing row in your sheet, which is useful if you want one row per record. For updates to work reliably, your Google Sheet needs a stable way to match rows, typically a unique ID or another field that never changes. Now complete the setup. Authenticate your Google account, then choose the exact spreadsheet and the specific sheet tab where you want the data to land. Make sure your sheet has a clear header row, because you'll map Airtable fields to those column names. Carefully connect each Airtable field to the corresponding column. Keep data types in mind. Dates, numbers, and text should align with how your sheet is formatted. If your sheet uses formulas, map only the input columns and let the formulas calculate the rest. When in doubt, keep column names simple and consistent to avoid mapping issues over time. A quick reality check on limitations. This is typically a one-way flow from Airtable to Google Sheets. If you edit the Google Sheet directly, those changes won't sync back to Airtable. That's why this method shines for append-only logs and light reporting rather than full two-way syncing. Once everything is mapped, you're ready to run it. Create a sample record that meets your trigger and confirm that it appears exactly where and how you expect in the sheet. Keep your trigger conditions focused to avoid noise, and try not to reorder or rename columns once the automation is live. And that's it, an easy, dependable way to sync Airtable to Google Sheets automatically.